it was absolutely a dream come true for me because health has always been my first priority. So when I told this to my mom, my sister, my family, my husband, kids and all, they were not believing it that ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसी situation भी जा सकती है. And I started practicing the mirror exercise and everything, and so after that, I noticed that there was a huge change. And now I feel that my internal self, I've made it so strong that my external, I don't need any validation from anybody else.
So welcome once again to another Hall of Fame interview with my special energy queen, Jaisal. So Jaisal is from Mumbai and she's living the energy queen's life right now. From when she came, she was under deep emotional burden for that matter, but now her life is transformed completely. So before I think more than what I have to say, let's hear from Jaisal straight away as to what she needs to talk about her energy frequency transforming and now she living the energy queen's life. So, Jaisal, over to you. Tell us about your journey. You started and what all have you achieved and how did you achieve all of that? Maybe in your health, in your relationship, in your money frequency, all of it. We want to know that, Jaisal. So, come on, let's start with you regarding your health. So, let's take one topic at a time. Yes.
Sure, Ritu. Thank you so much, first of all, for having me. And yes, it's a pleasure being here with Ritu. And I've been in this journey since last almost 1.5 2 years with Ritu. So it has been a complete change for me. My life has completely transformed. So first, let's go with the health frequency that, what we do, Gyan Glow. So in that, we have, I have learned from Ritu so much that, I was always a very health conscious person, I used to feel. But there were so many things that, we didn't know and we were not doing it correctly. So now when I have learned a lot of things and we imply like just a normal thing that how water and oxygen is so important, for our energy. And we used to always feel that food खाने से energy आती है and ये खाना चाहिए वो खाना चाहिए healthy. So of course food is important, but at the same time oxygen, water, movement, here and there. So all that is important. We have learned a lot about health over here. And I can just say that I have transformed my health. Like my biggest dream has come true. If I may talk about my thyroid situation.
Yes, please. Everybody would love to know about it.
Yes, so I developed thyroid like just few years back, and I had to start with the medication, which I was not very comfortable. But my thyroid levels were too high, and I had to go to the doctor and start with the medications. So I just kept taking, but the back of my mind, it was there that I'm taking it for the lifetime because I've been told that, once you take thyroid medication, you have to take it for lifetime. And then after I met Ritu, I came into this community. I started working on myself relentlessly because my first dream was to get rid of my thyroid conditions because it was giving me a lot of problems because of that. So I had lost my confidence completely because my physical appearance also had changed because of all my hormonal changes. So all that was impacting me a lot. And finally, I could make it because after a while, when I went to my doctor and I showed my reports, the doctor said that it's completely normal and you can stop your medication.
Wow, that's interesting. How did you feel? And what was your family's reaction? And maybe, something which you could never even imagine happened for you.
Yes, Ritu. Yes, absolutely. And I was like, it was absolutely a dream come true for me because health has always been my first priority. So when I told this to my mom, my sister, my family, my husband, kids and all, they were not believing it that ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसी situation भी जा सकती है. So my mother asked me 2-3 times, why don't you, एक और report निकाल दो, एक और report निकाल दो और फिर बताओ. Don't stop the medication. Everyone, I always realized that everyone had that so much fear energy around me that, medicine बंद मत करना, पहले और report निकालो, और report निकालो. So it's like that.
So amazing. That's amazing. But now you're completely thyroid free, Jaisal, and that's like commendable. So many of us believe certain things that it's not possible to change our lives, right?
Yes.
But once we change our energy frequency, anything and everything is possible.
And absolutely, Ritu. And I totally agree with you with this because when I started this, I never knew what is the energy game. So, and after knowing everything that how it impacts your life and how staying in that frequency and everything. So after knowing everything about energy, though I'm not a master at it right now, but I also want to learn more and more and more about it.
Of course, and we are still learning. It's a community, my dear. Yes, and you're a part of the community, so you're always learning. I remember one thing also that when you walked into the community, you were like, will I be able to do it? Will I be able to? A lot of people have this doubt in their minds, lack of confidence, and they feel like, okay, will this really help me? Will I be able to do it? Yes, but
Absolutely.
then why don't you talk about your, earlier beliefs and now what all can you do? I think you can manage a bunch of people by your own self also for that matter. Yes,
Absolutely, Ritu. So when I started, I can say I was so scared about, facing the video also. Ritu knows it very well that, a picture or a video, I was not comfortable, not scared. I will not use that word, but I was not very comfortable with my videos and all of that. And now day in and day out, we are doing video calls, meetings, I'm handling a group, and it's a fantastic feeling. So I never knew that, this kind of confidence I will be able to gain, and I need to reach even further, much higher. But I feel from that 0 to 5, I have reached. I want to reach the 10,
yes.
10 on 10. And that is for sure.
Amazing. Super. Jaisal, and let's talk about now your family for that matter. So, what is your family relationships like? And you worked on your love frequency also. Because I remember you telling me that you can send, you're very sensitive as a person. And you get affected too quickly for that matter. But what about now? What have you accomplished in your relationship frequency?
Yes, totally, Ritu. So, first of all, I learned over years self-love, which was completely missing in me. So, I just started loving myself because that was like really, really missing in me. I used to always feel for everything that I'm not good enough. I can't do this. मेरे से नहीं होगा. मतलब अब क्या करूँगी? Age factor, this is that. I always kept on telling this to myself, always. And after coming here and, understanding what is self-love, and I started practicing the mirror exercise and everything, and so after that I noticed that there was a huge change, and now I feel that my internal self, I've made it so strong that my external, I don't need any validation from anybody else outside.
Wow, that's brilliant. This is what most women are facing in their life right now, that they are looking only for outside, right? People's approval, people's appreciation and all that. And once you started appreciating your own self, is your family appreciating you more, Jason?
Yes, absolutely. Ritu, my husband was the only person I thought कि अगर इनका मैंने change कर दिया ना, that if he comes and tells me that yes, I can see that change in you, that I have conquered the world. And he just told me last week that yes, I have seen a lot of change in you, and whatever you are doing, keep doing, because you're becoming the best version of yourself.
Wow. Love it, love it, love it. Yes, and even with your daughters, I believe that, your relationships have changed completely because you were that scared types, and they were also, remember you told me once that you were scared to send them out also for that matter. But now,
yes,
so confidently, you're opened up completely with your children also, right?
Totally. My younger one, Ritu, so I would like to say that, initially from the birth, she has been always unwell. Kuch na kuch doctor visits and all that with her always was going on. So that's the reason I think I became too overprotective. So all the time I was like keeping her to me. And I know my relatives, friends all used to tell me that, छोड़ उसको थोड़ा. Why are you like always keeping her next to you and, always नहीं ये मत करो, वो मत करो. So that fear energy was there. And that is what I noticed coming here, that, that has completely disappeared. Now I don't fear anything because I feel, अभी मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है that, okay, whatever I want, it's there, it's coming to me. I know it for sure.
Amazing. Super. And now let's talk about your money for that matter. Your money frequency. So now Jaisal is a businesswoman for that matter, right? You have your own business of specialized dates. And in fact, even I have tasted her dates. And it's amazing. Different flavored dates she makes for that matter. And it's beautiful. It's amazing. It's tasty and healthy. Yes, that's the best part. So let's talk about your money frequency. How's your work going for that matter? When you joined, you were not working for that matter. But now you're working full time, and plus even you're doing the side hustle of coaching for that matter, helping other people, right?
Yes.
So let's talk about that. So what is your money frequency like right now? And
my yes, Ritu. So all thanks to you again, because I was when I joined this place, I was not earning a penny. I can say that. I was a complete homemaker. And, I have big dreams, but I didn't know how to achieve them because there was no roadmap, no guidance. क्या किस चीज में मैं अच्छी हूँ, क्या कर सकती हूँ, what can I do? So all those questions were going on in my mind. And after coming here, the kind of clarity I have got, like, my purpose, what is my purpose, what is my passion? I had never thought of all these things. And regarding my business, coming back to that, yes, so I always had this desire that I love cooking and I love making people eat healthy food. So that was my desire. So, but never thought of making it into a business or anything like that. But always there was in my mind that if I will make others eat, I want to make them eat healthy, nothing unhealthy. So even if I start a business, whatever I'll start, it will be healthy products. So that's how I started. I got that courage, Ritu, because since last 5 years, my daughter were also telling me that you're good at it. Why don't you start? Why don't you start a cloud kitchen and something from home and all of that? I never believed in myself. I said, no, why would people come to me? There are so many people outside. So many people are doing so much. So why would they come to me? But then after doing all the practices and coming here, that inner courage just came out. And now I feel that I can do anything, absolutely anything, if I wish to. If I wish to, I want to do this, I can do it.
And you're already doing it. Your dates business, I think during the Diwali time, you told me that your order book is full completely. You had good time. Absolutely. Yes. So now is it going good? You're receiving good orders and everything is happening?
Yes, absolutely. I was targeting the festival season because Diwali and, Christmas and all are the festival season. But right now, it is going pretty well. I'm very happy. And I'm making, so the best part is that, I'm making somebody eat something healthy, which is what I always wanted. So my business is, I can say that it's with my values. Whatever is my value is health, one of my values. So I'm meeting up to that. So I'm happy.
Amazing. Love it, love it, love it. So from a woman who used to earn nothing, now you're a businesswoman earning quite some money, right?
Yes.
So would you like to tell people how much money, I mean, on an average, I know it's a personal ups and downs monthly hota hai, but on an average, how much money are you making every month for that matter?
Yes. So right now I am making somewhere 50,000 to 1 lakh, but I'm targeting somewhere every month I want to reach at 2 lakh. Definitely.
Amazing. So that's your next goal. Love it.
Absolutely. That's your goal. 2024 goal.
2024. And I'm sure that it is going to manifest for you. Yes?
Absolutely.
Amazing. Amazing. Beautiful. So anything else which you would like to share with everybody who's watching this video for that matter?
Yeah. So I would just like to say that, people like me, I feel that who felt that I've lost it. I mean, I can't do now anything in my life. That kind of a feeling I had. And now I call myself Energy Queen, and I'm going to be soon, very soon, Energy Empress. So the kind of belief, once you conquer your belief systems, once you know your passion, purpose, your values, and when you go step by step, everything into the system, what all the successful people have used it. I mean, I feel it's a fail-proof system completely. Everything is just going amazing in my life.
Love it. Thank you so much, Jaisal. Super duper amazing. Thank you so much for inspiring so many other women to take charge of their own lives for that matter. Often we feel that yes, other people can do it, but we won't be able to do it, right? But every single person has that potential within them. I feel every woman deserves to live their life like a queen, right? It is that they need to invest in themselves, more time, more money. They need to feel that yes, that I'm important. You need to give yourself that self-importance, and only then you can grow in your life.
Ritu. I would just like to add something that, I would tell every woman that take that first step. Because till the time you will not get that permission to yourself. I always tell people around me that, when I see people with low energy, and now people are coming and asking me that, what are you doing? I mean, all the time you're like happy and with that high energy. So I just tell them that, give yourself that permission, take that first step. You will definitely grow in your life. There is no way out.
Amazing. Thank you so much once again. Thank you for giving your time to us, and thank you for inspiring so many other women. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you. It's my pleasure. Thank you.